How to pay international invoices with Wise. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to pay an international invoice from your phone, whether you are a freelancer, business owner or just sending payments abroad, Wise make it simple and fast. And in this video, I'll show you how to pay international invoices using the Wise app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can simply scroll down and tap on send. And now here in this section, you can simply scroll down and tap on add recipient button and choose the recipient type. And now here on the recipient, you can simply enter their full name or company name and select the country where they live. And now here, once you're done with that, you will need to enter the bank details, and this varies by country. For example, European countries need an IBAN while US recipient require routing and accounting number. And now here, once you're done with that, simply enter the amount that you want to send. And you can choose whether to enter the value in your currency or the recipient. And Wise will show you the real exchange rate, the fee, and the estimated arrival time. And don't forget to add the invoice number or the payment references, and this helps your supplier or contractor match the payment with your invoice. And next, you can choose your payment method. So here you can pay using the Wise Balance, a linked bank account, or a debit or credit card. And once you're done with all that, you can double check all the details like recipient info, currency, fees, and delivery time. And once everything looks right, you can just tap confirm and send, and Wise will begin processing your payment immediately. And after sending, Wise gives you a transaction summary. So you can download the receipt as a PDF or share it directly with your vendor if they need confirmation. And that's it. Paying an international invoice through the Wise app takes just a few minutes. It's secure, cost effective, and full transparent. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.